Informativeness. This represents the extent to which a video provides customers with helpful information and resources. This cognitive approach involves making a conscious mental process in order to buy a product or service. It is related to problem solving. These are the main characteristics. The information captures the functional aspect and value of the experience to the customer. This approach is generally impersonal, outcome-oriented, and objective. It pertains to the information after interacting with a video, for example, a video tutorial. Let me share a few video ideas you can apply today that are related to the informativeness customer experience dimension. Number 1, create information-rich videos that help customers solve their questions and concerns without talking to a brand representative. Use an interactive video software to help buyers discover more about specific topics. Number 3, use SEO analysis to identify unanswered questions and then create videos for your social media platforms. Number 4, add videos to articles in your knowledge base. Number 5, create a playlist to help users easily navigate through different videos to address questions, but offer a clear way to contact a human to know more about a topic. I hope you found this video useful. Have any questions? Simply use the comments below. I'll be happy to get back to you with an answer. If you like this video, please give it a like. This will help me serve you better. That's it for now. Keep watching our other videos to keep learning how to engage with your saturated audience, one individual at a time, but at scale and automatically. See you later. Bye.